Assalamu alaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEPS Homeschool, and this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. And our today's topic is word meaning. Dear students, let's see the board. Class Junior 1, Subject Islam, Topic Word Meaning, Lecture number 19, SW number also will be 19. And today's date. Dear students, let's start our today's topic. In our previous class, we have revised word meaning number 1 to 5, and today this is our second class for revision. So let's start. Cough. Cough for Cameroon, it means moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Kaf for Kitabun, meaning book, B-O-O-K, book. Lam for Lisanun, it means tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. The students, I repeat, T-O-N-G-U-E. The students, this word is very hard to spell. Many students make mistakes in this word, so learn properly this word. Mim for Malun, meaning money, M-O-N-E-Y. And the last one, Noon. Noon for Narun, it means fire, F-I-R-E, fire. The students, I repeat, cough. Cough for Cameroon, it means moon. Kaf for Kitabun, it means book. Lam for Lisanun, it means tongue. Mim for Malun, it means money. And the last one, Noon for Narun, it means fire. The students, now SW. And your SW topic will be word meaning or all. That means this 5 word meaning. You will do your homework very properly. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.